Komanda wa borithi Kiambu Michael Muciri niwe utongoretie mihang'o ino ya guthukangia, goita na gucina njohi na ndawa cia kũrebia iria ciananyitwo na kũigwo thebu-inĩ cia borithi ire ũira igoti-inĩ thutha wa kwĩrwo gũtuĩrwo nĩ gũkorwo marĩ nacio gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Want to reduce demand, we want to reduce supply, we want to make sure that these drugs that have been confiscated do not find their way back to the society. I hate to imagine what these drugs and this alcohol would do if they were left to be consumed by our people out there.
Mihang'o-inĩ ĩno bangi makĩria ma tani 2 njohi iria njĩkĩrĩre mũkana hamwe na ndawa mĩthemba ĩngĩ cia kũrebia nĩ ithũkangĩtio thutha wa igoti kũruta watho ũyũ.
As we speak today in Kikuyu sub-county alone, we have managed to close 10 bars that do not meet the requirements. 1, they are in the residential areas. Number 2, they are next to institutions of learning. We have made several arrests. Several people are before court, and we know the justice system is going to work. The judiciary is going to do their work, and we hope that they'll be successful.
O nĩ gũtwarithia na mbere watho wa minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kithure Kindiki wa kũhũrana na wendia na ũhũthĩri wa njohi ngananie na ndawa cia kũrebia bũrũri-inĩ.
We've not had any charges. If there are any charges in the future, we welcome them. We will be able to deal with them at that level. But so far, the directives are well on course. They are being implemented to the letter. And for me to come here to Kikuyu, having just left Kabete, it tells you that this is an ongoing thing. It's a county-wide exercise. And I'm very, very certain that we're going to achieve our intentions.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu anene aya nĩ maugĩte nĩ maratĩĩa watho ũrĩa ũrarutĩtwo nĩ igoti wĩgiĩ ũrugi na ũhũthĩri wa mũratina njohi ya ũndũire, no makauga nĩ megũtigĩrĩra arĩa mekũheo marũa ma ũrugi wa mũratina matinahũthĩra rũtha rũrũ kwendia njohi ĩno kũrĩ mũingĩ.
There will always be mischief in situations where people would want to use Muratina or the traditional drinks or brews to do their different, criminal other activities. We really are focused. We want to respect the order that was given by the court, but we are very, very careful that people don't use that to, come up with all sorts of drinks, all sorts of illicit drugs and brews in the name of Muratina.
Muratina, so to speak. It just said this can be used as a traditional drink among the Kikuyu community. That is not a license for anybody. It is not a license for anybody to sell Muratina.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kikuyu kaunti-inĩ